In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive shared in just 5 minutes. Sharing files and folders on Google Drive is a practical way to collaborate and ensure everyone has the latest version. Whether it's a crucial work document or cherished personal photos, sharing them safely and efficiently is vital. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your credentials and soon enough you'll find yourself in the main dashboard of Google Drive, where all your stored files and folders are visible. Once you're there, decide on the file or folder you wish to share. It could be anything from a single document to an entire folder of files. Find this item in your Drive and right click on it. You'll see a variety of options appear in a menu. From these, select the option labelled Share. Clicking Share will open a new window known as the Sharing window. This sharing window is your gateway to managing access. To start, you simply need to enter the email addresses of people with whom you wish to share the file or folder. Carefully type out each email address so that everyone receives their notification without a hitch. Now you will need to decide on the level of access these people should have. You have 3 choices here. You can set their permissions to Viewer, which allows them to only view the file content. If you choose Commenter, they can view and make comments, or you might opt for Editor, granting them full editing rights to make changes directly. Once you've set everything to your liking, hit Send. This action sends an email notification to each person with whom the file or folder is being shared. They'll receive a direct link and the permissions you've assigned them, but what if you want to share the item more broadly, perhaps via a group chat or on a shared workspace? You can create a shareable link. Still in the sharing window, you'll notice an option to copy link. Click that and a link will be generated for you. Before you go ahead and distribute this link, consider the access level you want to provide through it. You may decide that anyone with the link can view suits your needs, or you might prefer to give broader permissions if collaboration is required. Once you've decided on the appropriate access setting, copy the link. Now you're ready to share. You can paste the link into an email, a direct message, or any other communication platform you use regularly. By following these steps, you've now successfully shared your Google Drive file or folder, making collaboration seamless and efficient.